second time. The episode never aired in America, and there's a very good reason for that. This is some truly nauseating content. The contestants in this case were 3 sets of twins, and the challenge involved gulping down a bunch of fluid, which the show coyly called, quote, donkey juice. These were 2 different bodily fluids, one yellow, one white, that both came out of a living, breathing, presumably mortified male donkey. How much of the stuff did they need to swallow? Well, that pesky detail was decided through an impromptu game of horseshoes. As In Touch Weekly reports, the number the horseshoe landed on became the amount of donkey juice they had to drink in ounces.
Watch out! Ooh, 24 ounces.
Impressively, one member of each team did indeed guzzle down the donkey juice and live to tell the tale. Unfortunately, Fear Factor didn't fare quite so well. On January 30th, 2012, Deadline published a story that strongly suggested the writing was on
Impromptu. Impromptu. Impromptu.